announced. The broadcast is now starting. All attendees.
Sorry, I was a couple minutes late. I had a few things to take care of. Stephen, Mark, Todd, Shahid, guys, good morning. Very good morning, fellas. Well, we go higher, guys. 92.57. That's where we're headed. Mort, good morning. Richard, guys, good morning. Good morning. We're coming back to the area where we broke out from, which was 29. And bear with me 1 second, guys. Somebody. Sounds like somebody has an open mic, which would be almost impossible. No, I don't see it. In any event, we're here. Yeah, I should say muted by organizer. Somebody had there was an open mic. In any event, guys, good morning and welcome. If you're here on trial, welcome back. If today is your first day of the trial, we're glad to have you. I did a presentation yesterday with online or OTC, Online Trading Central. A couple of folks from that decided to join us for a trial today, so good morning and welcome. A lot of buyers, 3,300 and change on the NASDAQ, 1,500 in the YM. I mean, we may get pullbacks. Nah, not really, Stephen, not really. A lot of dupes. Russell has 1,400 buyers, ES 7,300 buyers. We're clearly in longs. Natural gas, small sellers. What else do we see here? Yeah, small sellers and RB, but guys, we do not have crude inventory today. Monday was a holiday. Crude inventory will be tomorrow. We don't have any real earnings today or anything that is of any real interest. Nothing. Johnson & Johnson, they may have reported already. I didn't see it, but that doesn't mean they didn't. Yeah, Johnson & Johnson beat and miss. They barely missed on revenue. Long silver on the 6 range. Yeah, and it's already gotten first target, Carl. Nice. 335 this morning. Nice. I didn't have my Ninja on this morning first thing. I did take a trade coming into the session. I'm down 165 bucks. I did take a trade this morning on the NASDAQ at 29 with a 25 stop. I just put the trade on, put my targets up at 55 and left it. The trade I did was around 6 a.m. and came back to find out that it took me out literally to the tick before this move. To the tick. So in any event, I'm coming in slightly down monetarily, not emotionally. That's a joke, fellas. It's a joke. We'll get them today. We'll get them. Today is Wednesday, January 22nd. I expect to take some losses. Yeah, right. Ba-dum-dump. Exactly. That went over like a lead balloon. All right. Let me quickly read the disclaimer, guys. Government disclaimer, and we'll get on with it. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you can't afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. And last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future success. The fact that I may trade a live account is not indicative of a trade or any trade being better than another. Trade as you see fit, fellas. We have no news. So today is going to be, I would think, a little bit slower, but you never know. I'd like to see this pull back somewhere around 28 and see if we get a bounce off that 28. I'm not sure we come back that far, but there's the bot. Got the long. Didn't give me the short, but it got me the long. What do we come? One tick from target? Yeah, one tick from first target. There's no resistance there. I don't know what stiffened it at 5. There goes natural gas. There's 11 on gas. $11 offer.
Target filled.
I took one off. It's right at resistance in that area, guys. Damn it, gold. Sellers showing up here, guys. Sellers. I'm at break even on this natural gas. If natural gas can get up through 14, that's delta on the bottom, Raj. Delta. Sellers again. We had buyers. Now sellers. Ran into a trend line at 56.5 on a bigger time frame. I'm taking this trade off. 67 contract negative delta. This is ridiculous. Come on. If natural gas can get up through about 13, 14, it can go a ways. 13, 14, it goes a ways. And my bot did not fire on RB. I have it on. I wasn't watching. First target on RB. Pisser. You guys may want to just take your ticks off here. This pull right back to 05, 06.
Order filled.
I'm out of that natural gas. I'm out of here too.
Order filled.
I'm out. Both targets hit 187.50 on that 6E bot trade. I don't have gold as a short. It may come down a bit, but I don't see it as a short. I think longs. Probably up to 59. For the benefit of, let's see, you downloaded your... Yeah, that VWAP indicator is under Lizard. So what I'm going to do, fellas, the bot on NASDAQ is up $1,200 today. That's off now. I'm done trading that. Okay? So I'm done trading the bot on the Unirenko. I'm done trading the bot on the 15 range. Nice job, Scott. $420. Live trade on crude. Good job, Scott. I'm going to shut this off, up 405. So NASDAQ combined, guys, is up $1,600. But regardless of the time frame you've traded it on, it's up. Crude, I'm good with. I'll shut that off, up 260 on one trade. I'm good with that. It's done. 6E, Euro, took one trade today, up 187.50. I'm done. Okay? There's no point in giving them money back, right? Natural gas I took live, and that was good for $90. I've shut natural gas off. Gold currently, I'll let run. Gold is down 150. I'll let that run to try to get it green. I've had no trades on the Russell today. None. I'll leave that on. But it's got no shot at, I just don't think it's going anywhere. I'll leave Russell on. It's taking no trades. RB's long. Again. RB's long. Crude's going to go. RB's long. RB's long. The 60.99, 61.01. RB's long. If anybody's interested. The stop has to be 68. 68 is your stop. 68. Target one is 26. And final target 61.57. 61.57. If you're interested in RB. Crude is waffling. RB's got to come up through 02. This is a typical pullback, Ian, into, coming into the 11 o'clock hour. This is typical. Europe is done in 29 minutes, so we're getting some pullback in here. This is great for us. I'm looking for a place to get in with some, with size on one trade. Come on, RB, don't be a punk. NASDAQ would have hit first target on the Unirenko. I shut it off, but first target would have been hit. No, RB is turning south. So is crude. Okay, crude got 16 to 30. I don't like it for shorts. I'm the Lou Holtz of trading. That makes me second best to Era Parsegian, right? Nice job, Brad. Nice job. Well, Kevin, you got to be willing to take, some risk off as well. I mean, I have targets, and I think crude is going to be longs. There's going to be some short covering. First, nice job, Shahid. Over $1,000 today. Good job. And here goes crude. It was just a stop run. I don't have it as a short, guys. I mean, it's been in shorts all day. Trending wise, we're short. Small time frame, we're probably going to make it to 40, 45. We could get as high as 79. For those of you guys that are on trial, I generally take a break at 11:30, right around Europe close. I take a quick lunch break, 15, 20 minutes. I'm not going to close the room. I'll come back. Bottom on the YM should be, I don't think we lose 29.2, maybe by a few ticks. I don't even know if it can get there, but 29.195 maybe. Kevin, don't do anything. Do nothing. Look at, at 4:00, how we get that end of the day shake, right? Traders are squaring positions. Same thing happens in Europe. Europe is closing at 11:30. So now they're taking profits, covering shorts, whatever the case may be. Let them do their thing through about 11:15, 11:20, and then we'll see what we get. I don't have a trade at this point, guys. I got nothing. I'm in nothing. I'm all right. So we held 06. I mean, again, YM is an interesting long. I don't like the YM back up to 29.250. It's not a trade I'm taking. I'm just telling you what I'm seeing. I'm not taking it until we're out of Europe and done with Europe. The bots are dead quiet at this point. Everything is green except gold. Gold is down $150. Silver is off. No trades for me today. There was a silver trade here, but it was at 335 this morning. Got first target. It's a nice trade, guys. 805 to 850. 10, 15, 20, 20, 30, 30, 40, 8 ticks at $25 a tick.
Order filled.
We're coming down pretty good here, fellas. If the 5-minute turns south on the ES, that might be an interesting short. If the 5-minute turns south. Guys, give me 1 minute again, please. 1 minute. Be right back. All right, guys, I'm back. NASDAQ's long. It's got to get through 3650, but NASDAQ's long. And your stop is 29. It just came into some support here, Modar. I mean, it's not a trade that Euro's getting a bid. Watch gold to go long. Dollar index is pulling back. I mean, crude could get back to 08, 16, and 40. I don't have a great stop for you. I mean, where did you get the trade? You took it at 11? NASDAQ's longs, guys. Buyers are back in. NASDAQ's going back to 39. That would be target one, 39 quarter, 39 half. Somewhere in there. Don't you waffle around. All right. We're at the bottom on YM. God, that thing blew out. Not holding support. NASDAQ may come with it. This is the last 15 minutes, guys, or so of Europe. We're not in shorts. If you guys feel lucky, take you a short. Not for me. Way below VWAP here. That's interesting. Below VWAP. NASDAQ. Damn, that short would have worked on the Unirenko, both targets. If it breaks through 29, it comes down maybe to 25. Resistance is 36 half. Well, ES, guys, on that high probability. This is that high probability 8 range. Doesn't take many trades. It's sitting on first target. It hasn't. This is that high probability 8 range. What in the hell are we getting here? Your 15 range on NQ went short at 31. Nice job, David. Really nice job. We're back down to that 92.18 area. Yeah, the Unirenko's still trailing. Let's just get out of Europe, guys. If we blow this 18, let me see where we could come. I don't think so. No way we come to 91.80. What is that, Ian? Put back something in London? I'm not sure what that is. I don't have a 5-minute NQ. Pull back. Oh, every day we get a pullback into the close of Europe. Every day. If we've been short, we usually get a short covering. If we're long, we get profit taking. Crude has small 5-minute resistance right here at 94. Crude works back to 08, 16, 30, and 40. Those are the levels. All right, I'll take this off. There's your ES. One trade up 250. I'm out. That's done. They are all off now. Everything is off, fellas. I have no bots on. None. Zero. Getting along in RB into the close here. Right back to that 12 to 18. NASDAQ probably back to 30 from here, maybe 31. Could work as high as 33, 34 from here. Buyers are right back in, back to 5,300 net buyers. We went to 47. I like Russell long. Stop is 86.7, 86.7, and your target is 90 from here, 87.8 to 90, 88 to 90, two handles. I like YM long also, but your stop has to be 47. 47. Target is 29.10. 29.10 on the YM. Maybe 86, 87 first target. All people in public places in somewhere in China required to wear masks. Here we go. SARS all over again, right? Six, 7 minutes, we're out of Europe. Get through 27 half. We're going back to 35. Through 27 half, we go to 35, 34. There you go, fellas. All right. Come on. 6 minutes. Anybody have any questions? Stop at the moment on that is 18 half. 18. I can give you a better stop. Maybe 22. Okay, Todd. There you go, guys. Got to get through this 30, maybe quarter, half. I did, Kevin. Fellas, we're not shorts. That's just the garbage we get into the close of Europe. We're not shorts. Watch YM to break up out of this consolidation. Right now, the stop on YM would be 48. It's okay, Kevin. I don't mean to laugh. Mine has a habit of doing that too. We're getting consolidation on the bottom here on RB. The bot took a long. It's pretty good support in there, fellas. There's a long on RB right here at 19, maybe 20, 19, 20 on RB with a first target up at 42. First target at 42. There it goes. And then final target could be 6. Oh, gee, it's almost 61. Come on. That's the first target. And then 61, 60, 90. Maybe in here, 87. Come on, get out of Europe. Just get these guys gone. The bot would have gotten both targets again, up to 35. Still think this is going to get some short covering today. I've seen this at 2 to 230 go a buck. All right, fellas. All right, we got a minute and we're out of Europe. 27, half maybe. YM breaks above 71, 72. You've got a first target at 86 and finals target at 210. No, it hasn't. Hasn't stopped out, dude. Stop is 83. It's not much. All right, we're done with Europe. NASDAQ should start Hank Stramming it. There you go, 31. Next target up is 35, fellas. 35. Guys, let me go quickly eat. I will be right back. All right, fellas, I'm back. NASDAQ went up as we expected. How about RB, fellas? First target hit, not quite the second. All right, guys. We could get a small pullback in here. There's no way. Rode NQ from 29 to 41. Mama. Shahid, how much are you up today? Nice job. Great job. Did anybody take the YM at 72? Anybody take YM at 72? First target's hit, fellas. Gave you first target, 86. That was hit. Final target, 29.10. You'll see that today. Nobody's in that. Anybody take the Russell? Target was 90. It hit 90. Two handles. Anybody take Russell? All right, let's see what the heck we want here. Anybody have any questions? Trial members? Anybody?